So now we have a different kind of video. It's me, Andy, here with Forward. There's a song, Shumba, that Forward played last time we were together. And I then went to Mbira camp in England, and this guy, Rob, was like, "Oh, Andy, can you tell me about the structure of this song?" And I'm like, "Oh, what is it? And he said it was Forward Shumba. So I went home and learned it, and I felt a real connection with the song. And then Rodrigo, our friend in Argentina, he had recording of Forward teaching, I think it was, this song, and I'm sure it's this song that was in the beginning of that special film. So there's some beauty surrounding this song, and we took it and played it at the top of Great Zimbabwe together this year.
Yes.
We'll share that later through another means. I've got an idea for that song. It's kind of like the conclusion of something that we're working on. But Forward's been picking on me, saying, it shouldn't just be Zimbabwean hands here.
Yes.
We've got this message of unity in the music. So that's the background of what we're just about to do. The variation I'm playing is my own, inspired by Forward's version of this song. So there might be some nuances in this that flex the structure in a way that isn't exact, but we'll see what happens. I'm just going to play. I don't know whether we call this Kushara or Kutsinhira.
It's okay.
And then we'll see what happens.
Yes.
So just me first.
Yes, just you first. I'll let you go and get the grip first.
Do you want to come in with me, or do you want to do your part separately?
I can follow you.
So I begin, and then Forward will
place.
come in all over the place. Perfect. So I'll begin. What do we say? Tino Vatenda.
Tino Vatenda, Chokwadi, Tino Vatenda.
you so much, Forward. It's magical being with you.
It is too. Dear my brother. Yeah, amazing. Made everything happen, my friend. Coming from far away to make this happen. It's a huge job. You must know that.
It's not a job, it's inspirational to be with you. Yeah, it feeds me so much. Like, yeah, it just feels magic.